Hi, welcome to Ninja Monkey. I'm Nathan, and today I'm going to take you to an eco store, and it's actually across the border from Gibraltar. So I'm actually going to be walking to Spain, past the awesome runway, and into La Linea. And let's see if we can find this place first of all. So this is one of the super unique things that we have here in Gibraltar. I think it's one of the only places in the world where you actually walk across a live runway, which is quite crazy. I'm used to it, you know, when you live here you kind of it's just normal, but it's quite weird really. There's cars. This is one of them, probably the main highway that connects Gibraltar to Spain, and the cars just drive across it, people walk through it, and then basically when a plane's gonna land, the barrier goes down and traffic stops and the pedestrians stop, and that's it. You know, you have to wait for the plane to land as if it was a train, but it's a plane. Sort of weird. We don't have trains, but we have planes, plane crossings. Strange. Check out my most Instagrammable places, most Instagrammable spots in Gibraltar. I actually think that I mentioned this because it's kind of unique, you know, and you get the whole of Rock of Gibraltar behind. You can see there the incredible rock behind me. So it's quite epic really. Over there is Spain, and I'm not going to film obviously because I have to go through passport control and customs, so yeah, I'll see you on the other side. Bienvenidos a España. So I'm here in La Linea now after the whole, actually usually there's not, well, it's difficult to tell. Sometimes there's a queue, sometimes there isn't a queue. Usually there isn't a queue for pedestrians. Today there was a little bit of a queue, but I wouldn't really call that a queue as such. It was just probably just like a bottleneck more than anything. And so I need to go to the post office here actually, because I can actually order things from Amazon and collect them here, and it's actually cheaper than getting them in Gibraltar, believe it or not. So that's one of the things I'm going to do, and have a coffee and then search for the bio shop. Not bio shop? Bio shop?
You've called it lots of different things already.
I've called it many different things. Oh, you're in the video. Actually, it's tracked on you. It was meant to be Xenia. Look, it doesn't want to let go.
Sorry.
Hello, over here. Hello, over here. There we go. Actually really strong coffee. But good coffee. We figured out where the eco bio, it's true, bio. We worked out where the bio store is. Basically it's 2 minutes away, so no rush. I'm just really worried it's gonna be underwhelming. I was gonna say crap, but underwhelming maybe is a better use of the word. Anyway, it doesn't matter, it's all fun, right? Miloha, which basically means 1,000 sheets, no? Yeah, like 1,000 sheets. And it's one of my favorite things. It's got chocolate on top. And it's like, I don't know, is it, what kind of pastry is it? It's some kind of pastry, and it's got like, what's the thing inside? Confectioner's custard inside, and maybe some cream. I don't know, it's just incredibly good. It's worth coming just for this. So we found one. We haven't found it yet, but we're sort of like near the area. So yeah, it's so different. La Linea is so different to Gibraltar.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's so lively at this time in Gib.
Well, yeah. It's just so different. Oh, look, music. Look, this is like you know, you're in Spain when there's Spanish guitars. Flamenco style. Yeah, the Eco Bio shop was more like a health store, so it was a little bit disappointing, really. I mean, I guess it's okay. There are certain things that my friend was telling me that there's a few things that she can't get plastic free, like what was it, cashew nuts and oats, and they actually had like an oats dispenser and like a nuts dispenser. So that's pretty cool, no? Because it means that you can just bring your own container and fill it up. And they did give her a discount actually for having brought her own stuff. Her own like reusable bag, which is, you know, we're going to a nut shop. Is it only nuts, basically?
Yeah.
Only nuts. Ah, okay, cool. So we've ended up coming to this nut shop. Well, my friend calls it a nut shop. I'm sure it's like more than just a nut shop. But basically the guy roasts his own nuts, and I've got some peanuts, some like freshly roasted peanuts, and yeah. The cool thing is that I can actually take it in a paper bag, and I don't have to use plastic. Habas fritas. Sí, la mitad. There's some like recipes and how to use like spices. Sell spices also. How to use spices and how to use some other produce in recipes. There's some recipes there. Arroz con conejo. That's actually rice with rabbit. Cómo usar algunas especies. How to use spices. Paella de conejo y marisco para 3 personas. Paella of fish or seafood and rabbit. Pretty interesting, actually. Interesting place. And I like the fact that you can actually bring your own containers, and you can use or they have paper, and you don't have to use plastic. So cool. We're still in Spain, in La Linea, and we're just going to cross the frontier back to British Gibraltar. You know you're in Britain when there's a red postbox, letterbox thingy, and a red double-decker bus. A little bit of a random vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and leave a comment below. Till next time, bye, see ya.